First on the agenda is consideration of a proclamation recognizing the importance of Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Berkeley County. I would ask Queen Quet to meet me at the podium, along with the Vice Chairman of the Council. And I'm going to read the proclamation at the podium very fast because they don't care what I have to say. We look forward to hearing from you every year, so you get ready for your speech.
Or do you want to read this in both?
Oh, that's interesting. All right. Good evening, everybody here in Berkeley County. Let's see what this shall say. This shall recognize the importance of Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. This shall proclamation. This shall say, all through Berkeley County and things like that, when they first get them together, the African think behind skill and things like that, and plenty of things with the in here. Them some nation. African thing like that, they haven't had them slave on time. All the rice and undergoing thing like that, all these young plantations all around. Then the one not come from them, the children, they're still there now, and they're a Gullah Geechee. And so this young group, they're very good people. Say, these young people make up a family all in a compound. And then they will take up all this thing with the spirituality and thing like that. And when they will celebrate freedom, Emancipation Day, or it's still going on, January 1st, every year, and they still do hot thing all around here. And so, this should be Queen Quet that me now, okay? I've been the first Gullah Geechee in the world to speak for them people that call in the United Nations, for the people who be Gullah Geechee. And before that, been one way they call the keto present. This your month's corner. One time during their same Freedom Day celebration we call Emancipation. Or then me, and I'm on with the over yonder, we call Coalition, for an initial place called Automobile Production. And we would get together and founded this thing called the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival. And that thing moved all around, all up and through the Gullah Geechee Nation and throughout the African diaspora. Every year, that time, we done learn all them children all around the world, but who we done? In the celebrate that we culture still going on and thing like that. And then that came in with this thing with this vote, the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. So this your place say that Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week launching at noon, July the 27th, 2024, upon historic September Island, South Carolina. And this year, the team now, Gullah Geechee taking a stand and healing the land. Now, therefore, them children say, we have resolved that it done decide this your thing. Say in Berkeley County, by this your council here, that in this your meeting, in this your month, July, they done get it together. And the council done recognize the importance of we people who be Gullah Geechee and about this your Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Berkeley County. And they say they done count for being on, they adopted them. This 22nd day of July 2024, and say Berkeley County, South Carolina, by Philip A. Orby, the second Vice President of Berkeley County Council, and Amanda Troy, that is the Gallion, the clerk of the council. So on behalf of the Gullah Geechee Nation, we say thank you, and Berkeley County, y'all ain't sleep now. That is the first time in the history of this young week, in the celebration of these proclamations, where you ever had me from reading on proclamation, ain't Gullah Geechee. So y'all make history, and we story just now. Thank you. And the frame is beautiful. This is gorgeous. Now for all 100 children who don't crack your teeth in Gullah Geechee, and just want you to know where they said that this event is going to be held on St. Helena. It will be at historic Penn School or Penn Center. So if you know where that is, come on down to Curriculum or come like I did this season the first time all through the backwood, all through Ridgeville, all through Pond. I play a sign for us know we been had. I come through the season to get you, so I had to get on I-526 and all that. So it was a blessing coming up here. But we would love it for you all to come down, celebrate with us. Good music, great food, of course, on Saturday, July 27th, starting at noon and we're going until 3. It may go longer, it may not. I ain't gonna tell you food gonna still be there if you get there 2:30. So But definitely come on down, enjoy it with us, and we appreciate you, Berkeley County. I love coming up here every year. Thank you, thank you.
This here council wants a picture with you.
I don't tell me that. Then she don't tell me that. Say, been going on. She doesn't tell me. Oh, they all gonna take the picture with you this year.
Come on, Queen.
Come on, y'all. How y'all doing, guys? Thank you. They dressed up just for me, right?
That's right.
Y'all clean up well. Where your jacket? See, I do.
All right, if we can get you guys to move a little bit to your right.
Which one? Run in the
Be more
back.
centered. All of
You want them to chop that slide? Slide.
If you all could
Me
take a
too.
few steps to the right.
We good?
Perfect.